The renowned European institution, the University of Oxford, used to publish Arabic books written by Arab scientists and philosophers in its press and translated every page into English. For example, they translated the Arabic book Astronomical Tables, written in 1437 by Arab scientist Muhammad Tariq al-Timurid, into English in 1648. If we say that the European Renaissance was made possible by closely imitating and building upon the achievements of the Arab Golden Age, it would be a verified truth. This fact is clearly supported by the large number of Arabic books that were collected from Arab regions by European nations. These books were then translated from Arabic into English and published and taught across their own lands. At that time, Arabic was considered the language of science, philosophy, literature, and knowledge throughout Europe. This claim is confirmed by none other than the most prestigious European university, Oxford University, which is still celebrated. Today in the West and across the globe, Europe considers it a beacon of its scientific greatness and progress, and it takes great pride in it. The administration of Oxford University would acquire Arabic books and translate each page into English. They would then publish these translations side by side with the original Arabic text, complete with references to establish the credibility of the English version. This also helped instill trust in the then underdeveloped English language among readers. The European intellectual elite of that time had a full command of the Arabic language. Thus, Arabic was a highly developed language in terms of civilization and culture. The image in question shows the book Astronomical Tables, authored by the Muslim Arab scientist Muhammad Tariq al-Timurid around the year 1437 CE. It was originally written in Arabic, which at that time was the language of science. Europeans translated it from Arabic into Early English in 1648, a form of English spoken in the 17th century, which differs significantly from modern English. Over time, this translation underwent several additions and modifications, a fact corroborated by the original texts of Shakespeare. The English used by Shakespeare differs from this one, as English at the time had similarities with Latin. The English translation of this book was overseen by John Bainbridge and John Greaves, and it was printed at Henry Hall Press. This is further evidence that Europe's Renaissance and development were made possible because of the scientific and cultural achievements they inherited from Arab scholars. Today, we see European nations educating the world in the basics of civilization and development, but they conveniently obscure the golden scholarly contributions of the Arabs and deny the favors of their Arab teachers, showing ingratitude. However, the libraries of their universities, filled with shelves of Arabic books, continue to bear witness to their ingratitude and expose their lack of originality in knowledge and literature. These bookshelves, still overflowing with Arabic texts, stand as a testament to history. As for the Arabic text seen on the current page of this Arabic book, we can still read it easily, even after 588 years. The Arabic language has remained virtually unchanged over the centuries. In contrast, the English and other European languages have evolved so dramatically that they cannot even comprehend texts written just 200 years ago. Finally, the Arabic manuscript reveals the deep love and devotion the Muslim scientist had for Allah and His Messenger, testifying to his strong faith. It reads, "All praise is due to Allah. Allah is worthy of greatness and praise, and peace and blessings be upon Our Master Muhammad, peace be upon him, and his family."